Hello guys, and welcome to yet another video tutorial. On today's video we're going to be doing a tutorial on making the letter R for rabbit.
Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art.
So for today's video we are going to be using the following tools. We are going to use a 0.3 fishing line, 0.30 millimeters fishing line to be precise. We're going to be using two colors, which is color red for the beads and then color white. So we're going to be using red and white beads, and finally we're going to need a nail cutter or scissors for cutting the fishing line. So you're going to pour your beads, like the red beads and the white beads, onto your working plate, and also you cut your fishing line to about 12 or 16 inches length. Then now we begin. So you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the right again, and then a white bead on the right hand and a white bead on the left hand. Then you crisscross on the white bead on the left, and you pull. Should have something that looks like this. Then you pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and finally a white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white. For those of us who are not familiar with the term crisscrossing, it means slipping the fishing line through the other one. We'll demonstrate as we continue. As you can observe, we've continued there. So this is what we call crisscrossing. Let me try and focus. Yeah, like that. As you can see, the fishing line from both ends have crossed paths through one bead, and that's what we refer to crisscrossing. You should have something that looks like this by now, that length. So we continue. Pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, a white bead on the right, then you crisscross on the white bead, and then you pull. Always make sure that your fishing line is balanced. You should have something that looks like this. And then you pick a red bead on the left, and then you pick another red bead on the left, and then you pick a white bead on the right, and you crisscross on the white bead. By doing so, we've made a corner. As you can see right now, the direction of the fishing line has changed. I hope you're keen enough to see that. So by doing so, we are making a corner, and then we are going back. So you pick a red bead on the left, another red bead on the left, then you pick a white bead on the right, then you crisscross on the white bead. you should have something that looks like this. I hope you're together. So you continue, you pass the fishing line through the bead like that, one bead only. You pass it through one bead. You should have something that looks like this. Hope it's clear enough, and you can see how the fishing lines have crossed. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, then you crisscross on the white bead, then you pull. For those of us who haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also you can recommend the videos that you love to see next. As you can see, we're continuing. You pass the fishing line through the white bead like that, and then you pick a white bead, sorry, and another white bead on the left. And then you crisscross on the white bead from the left like that. And then you pass the fishing line through the white bead like that. By doing so, you're making sure that your artwork remains neat. And then you pick a red bead from the right and a white bead from the left. Then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. And then you pass the fishing line through the white bead like that. And then you pick a white bead from the right and a red bead from the left. And then you crisscross on the white bead. Then you pull. You should have something that looks like this, though this is I think, yeah, if it's turned it should look like that, so that the R is upright. So we continue. You pick a red bead from the left, a white bead on the left, and a red bead on the right, and you crisscross on the red bead. By doing so, you've also again made another corner, and now you're going back down. You should have something that looks like this. Then you continue. You pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. I hope you can see it. You pick a red bead from the right, a red bead from the left, then you crisscross. If it's your first time here, you can also go through our playlist of videos. We have several videos that we've done on tutorials regarding beadwork, so where you can also learn more patterns and designs on doing beadwork. If you also find that this is slightly difficult, please refer to our previous videos that we've done, and make sure you practice so that you can perfect this skill. You can't learn this overnight, so you just have to try and try again until you get it right. But if you can learn it right away, then that's even better. So you can see the progress on our artwork. For now, it's gotten to this point. It should look like this. Pick a white bead on the right and a red bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the red bead from the left like that. And then you pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. And then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left. And then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. You should have something that looks like this. I hope we are all together, and as you can see, the letter R has started to form. Now you pick a red bead from the right, and then you pick a white bead from the right and a white bead from the left. Then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. Always remember this beadwork, mostly this pattern that we're using, it's basically the same. If you learn this, you can try it out with different patterns or different to make different things. But as we continue, we're going to be showing. So you get to this point, you should have something that looks like this. Continue. Pick a red bead from the right, a white bead from the left, and you crisscross on the white bead. Then you pass the fishing line through the red bead. You pick a white bead from the right, a white bead from the left, and you crisscross on the white bead from the left. And then you pass the fishing line through the white bead like that. And then you pick two red beads, one bead from the right, one bead from the left, red both. Then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. And as you can see, the letter R has already formed. So I hope you're able to make your letter R. Please share with us your experience, or in the comment section you can let us know what you'd love us to make, and your also experience. You can tell us the next thing that you'd love to see on the channel. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.